guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you this gorgeous crochet Senegalese twist. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, so my hair is freshly washed. As you guys can see, shrinkage is real or whatever. I just got out of the shower and this is how my natural hair looks. So I'm going to be using this Cantu Sheer Butter leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to be using my Jamaican black castor oil to make sure my hair is really nice and juiced up, okay? But this is how my natural hair looks, guys, once I'm out of the shower. So most of the time that I come on camera, I already have my hair pre-stretched. Like, I have it in 2-strand twist overnight. That way it's really nice and stretched out. But today I was like, yo, somebody said, Tupo, is that how your hair looks all the time? I was like, sis, if I show you how my hair looks, it is really short. But I just wanted to show you guys, like, my hair also shrinks and this is how it looks. And then I'm using my rat tail comb to section the hair, as you guys can see right there, because I want to do like some cornrows going all the way to the back. This is just like a basic, you know, cornrow just going all the way to the back. You guys already know I have like a tutorial on how to do cornrows by yourself. So if you haven't watched that, you better go check that out as well, sis. Okay. I just wanted them to be tiny cornrows just because the crochet hair that I'm using has a tiny look, guys. So once I'm done, you know, doing the cornrows going all the way to the back, I'm just gonna take my Jamaican black castor oil mixed with my coconut oil and make sure my scalp is really nice and moisturized. And guess what, guys? I'm going to be using this crochet hair that I made by myself. Okay, you guys already know I do Senegalese twist. So I was like, you know what? Let me try my own version of my crochet hair, okay? Just gonna place the crochet needle in, open the hook, place the crochet hair on the hook, close the hook and pull it out, right? And then don't pull it all the way out. Go all the way to the corner of the crochet hair, place it on the crochet hook and then pull it out. This is very easy. I mean, if you just master this technique right here, you can do this in like 30 minutes and you are done. It takes me about 15-20 minutes to do my braids and then 30 minutes to do the crochet hair. Seriously, this is the easiest technique. This is the easiest way you can get Senegalese twists. I'm telling you, this is easy. So I'm going to show you again. You're just going to take your crochet needle, placing it in, right? And then open the hook, take your crochet hair, placing it on the hook, pull it out. Don't pull it all the way out. You're going to take your crochet hair from the corner right there, placing it on the hook, and then pull it all the way out. So exactly the way I'm doing, guys. Wow, I'm still talking, sis. Have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! Today's shout out goes to Latoya Jibodu. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, sis. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for all the love. I really, really appreciate it. You are a real one today. Okay, sis. Guys, again, you're just gonna place the crochet needle in, open the hook, okay? Take the crochet hair, placing it on the hook and then pulling it out, right? Take your crochet hair from the corner, placing it on the hook and then pulling it out. So exactly the way I'm doing, guys. Very, very easy, very beginner friendly. I mean, anybody can actually do this. So I decided, you know what? Let me just do a crochet method of the Senegalese twist and add a little spice to it. Give myself some curls at the end. And you know, this was the easiest technique ever. Let me know if you guys want to see the tutorial on how I did this. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are feeling this technique right here, this twist that I made. If you guys think they look real, they look legit, they look like I got individual twists. As you guys already know, I like wearing my hair on the side, so that's what I'm doing, just making sure it's really nice and full right where you want to be parting it. can actually start working with your front first and then do the back later, because I didn't want to run out of hair, because you know I made the Senegalese twist by myself. So I was like, let me make sure my front is really nice and full before I splurge the back. Okay, so that's what I did. And then when you get to the top right there, just make sure you're coming very close together, just the way I'm doing, just so you looks really nice and realistic. It looks like you actually have singles. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna get this Kiss Edge Fixer and make sure these baby hairs are nice and laid using the brush that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now. And then I'm going to be taking my styling strips and make sure everything is nice and laid, sis. And baby, when I tell you this crochet Senegalese twist came all the way through. Yes, sis, I am living for this twist right here. And you know me, I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. So here I am adding some accessories, gold accessories, and baby, it came all the way through as well. And here I am adding some more styles here and there and everywhere. I am feeling myself, sis. Let me tell you, sis. I am feeling myself right about now. Let me know if you guys are feeling this hair right here. And let me know if it looks realistic, like I got some, you know, individual Senegalese twist situation. Okay. Let me know if you guys think I nailed this twist right here. Let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial on how I did this, because this was easy, okay? And this is color purple, and you guys already know how I feel about color purple, right? Oh, sister, I'm telling you, the curls are even popping, honey, pop, pop, pop. Yes, let me know if you guys think this is a hot style right here. Senegalese twist coming all the way through. And let me know if it looks realistic, like I got some, you know, individual Senegalese twist situation. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all you're doing for my channel. I cannot believe we are here today. Let's get to 400K, because baby, it is up from here. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.